The KAGE SnowStorm is the ultimate snow removal system for mid-sized John Deere equipment. This 2-in-1 snow blade and box system does it all. Use just the blade to back drag, angle plow, and windrow, then quickly clamp on the containment box for pushing and stacking, even around corners. The 65-degree attack angle of the blade, 36-degree power angle, 12 degrees of oscillation, and curvature of the moldboard provide the perfect setup for scraping down to the pavement and rolling heavy snow. Hydraulically clamp on the KAGE box to push and stack massive amounts of snow without leaving the cab. Remove the box just as easily when you need to switch back to the blade. The KAGE SnowStorm split trip edge is compatible with steel and sectional Hardox or carbide cutting edges, all of which break back 90 degrees to clear curbs and other obstructions without losing your load of snow. Your plow and machine are also protected by a 2500 PSI crossover relief valve. The SnowStorm is available in sizes ranging from 10 to 14 feet wide and fits on everything from 15 to 30,000 pound wheel loaders to 100 plus horsepower tractors. All KAGE products are proudly made in the USA.